school day begins. Books and pens, friends and grins. In the halls we laugh and play. Learning games every single
Hi, Mango.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good.
Wonderful. What did you do today?
I play with my friends
I played
and go
with
to
my
school.
friends.
I played with my friends
And
and I went to school.
there we go. Good. All right. And what did you play? What did you play?
Hide and seek.
Hide and seek. Ooh, are you good at the game?
Yes.
Beautiful. All right. And what is the weather like today, Mango?
Raining.
Raining. Oh no.
It
Oh,
is
it is.
raining now.
It is raining now, so you can't even play outside today. Oh no.
I have lots of homework.
Oh, that's good. Right?
And I will have a test.
Oh, an English test, Chinese test.
Oh,
Oh, so you're busy with assignments at school now?
side. What?
You So are you busy with assignments, which is like a lot of
Yes.
tests that you have to write?
Science, PE, music,
Ooh, and when do you
美术 art, Chinese, English, math.
Wow, that's a lot. So you have to study? Lots of studying work. When do you write your tests? When do you start?
1 week later. 1 week later.
All right.
1 week later.
All right. So it will be next week?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So, well, good luck for that. I hope you do very well. Very excited. You must tell me what your results are, okay? You must study very hard. Okay, so today we're going to do Unit 5, Amazing Animals. Okay, so let's listen to Animals Are Amazing.
Animals Are Amazing song.
Animals are amazing. We see them far and near. Some live in forests like owls, bears, and deer. Some live in deserts like camels and some snakes. Some live in water, in ocean, seas, and lakes. Amazing, amazing animals. What can animals do? They can fly, they can swim, they can jump. We share the earth with you.
Now, what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is cat. Cray.
What's your favorite animal?
Cat.
A cat. And why do you like a cat? Is that your home you're showing me?
I'm showing my cat.
Oh, I can't see that far. Gray, if I remember. His name is Gray, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so he's just walking around the house?
No.
What is he doing? Let me see. Ooh, is he sleeping?
No. Yes,
Can't-
it is sleeping.
It is sleeping. Oh, he's tired. Oh, he's so beautiful. Okay, and why do you like cats? What makes a cat your favorite animal?
It is hubby.
Is Fluffy?
Yeah, fluffy.
It's Fluffy. Very good. So today we're going to do our review on our grammar, and then in our science we are going to learn about camouflage and how some animals can hide as a result of their shape, color or both. Let me see. Oh, there he is. Hi, Gray.
Oh, it is running.
He's running. He's a busybody. Okay, so let's start with our grammar review. So we have some animals and we have some words that we're going to use. Let's start with a bear. What can a bear do?
The bear can swim.
Very good. What can a snake do?
It can climb.
Good. But it can't.
But it can't run.
Good. What about an owl? What can an owl do?
It can fly. But it can't jump.
Good. Hi, Gray. He's running away. He doesn't want to see me today. Okay. What about a deer? What can a deer do?
It can run.
But it can't.
But it can't fly.
Very good. Beautiful.
Wow.
Okay, so now we are going to play I Spy with My Little Eye. Do you know the game?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start with one, and then you're going to do one. So, I spy with my little eye something yellow.
There.
Alright, and what is it?
It is a bee.
It is a bee. Very good. Now you do one.
It is.
No, I spy
I spy my little eye.
with
It
my
is-
little eye.
With my little eyes. It is green.
Green. Is it a turtle? Is it the turtle?
Yeah. No.
Ah, no, not.
No,
Oh,
no.
no. Okay.
Yes.
Uh-oh. Is it? Hey, you're making me confused. Okay. So it was the turtle. Did I get it right?
No.
No, not. Alright, let me try again. Something green. What about a frog?
No.
Not a frog.
Yeah.
Aye. Alright, so we do have two green animals. We have the frog and the turtle.
No, it is snake.
Where's the snake? I don't even see the snake.
There.
Oh, he's really hiding. Well done.
And this is a bear.
And that's the bear. You are quite smart. Good job. Okay. So now we are going to learn about animal camouflage. So let's take a listen.
Animal camouflage.
Many animals blend in with their surroundings. This is called camouflage.
Okay, so now what animals blend into their surroundings? What animals can you think of that can blend in their surroundings? Can you think of an animal? Which animal can hide and you can't see it in its surroundings?
Fish.
A fish, yes, very good. What about a polar bear? Can a polar bear camouflage?
Yes.
Yes,
It can.
it can because it's white, so it can blend with the snow.
And bear.
And a bear, yes, this one is busy hiding by the tree. Yeah, let's listen.
Camouflage helps animals in different ways. Some use it to find food, but others use it because they don't want to become food.
Okay, so how does camouflage help animals? What are the two ways?
Camouflage helps animals in different ways.
And how?
Some use it to find food. And some don't want to become food.
Yes, what do you think that means? So they don't want to become food. What does that mean? What happens?
Some animals don't want to be dinner.
To be dinner, yes, very good. So they hide so that other animals don't see them. Okay,
And
so-
other animals can't eat them.
Correct, well done. Now, if you want to camouflage, what would you do? How would you camouflage?
I will eat animals.
You're gonna eat the animals? Ugh. Alright, so is what I mean is if you had to hide, how would you hide so nobody could see you? How would you camouflage?
Lizard.
Would you want to be a lizard?
Yeah.
Okay. And if you were Mango, being yourself, how would you hide away? What can you do to hide?
On the tree.
You're gonna hide on the tree? Alright, so yes, you can dress up in some brown clothes and then you can stand by the tree and hopefully nobody will see you. Yeah? Alright, good job.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's learn about the polar bear.
1. Polar bears hide in the snow.
Polar bears, for example, are found in the ice and snow. Everything around them is white. They're covered in white fur, but their eyes, noses, and the bottoms of their feet are black.
Where do polar bears live?
They lives in the ice and snow.
They live in the ice and snow. And how do polar bears use camouflage? How do they use camouflage? So how do they hide away?
They hide in the snow.
In the snow. Why? Because their fur is
White.
white. Very good. So camouflage is another word for hiding away without anybody or anything seeing them. Let's listen.
When they hunt for food, they sometimes cover their eyes and nose with their paws.
So why do polar bears use camouflage?
They hunt for food.
They hunt for food. Beautiful. Very good.
And my cat wants some food too.
Does your cat want some food too?
But it
Shame.
is so pretty.
Oh, he's sleeping. He's so nice and fat. Very fluffy. Gray, gray. Oh, he heard me. Hi. Oh, he's beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's listen about a stonefish.
2. Not a stone, but a stonefish.
Stonefish use camouflage to get food. They look like stones on the bottom of the ocean. If a fish touches a stonefish by mistake, it stings them to death and eats them.
So how do stonefish use camouflage?
Hunt.
They use it to hunt. Very good. And how do they use it? Where do they hide?
On the rocks.
On the rocks. So they look like stones on the rocks. They hide, and when fishies come past, they catch them and they eat them.
Mm.
Yes, just like that. Clever. Well done. Right, let's see.
3. Gray tree frogs can't be seen.
Can you see the frog?
Gray tree frogs, however,
Okay.
use camouflage to hide. They're found in the forests of North America. Because they live in trees, they look like a tree branch.
How many frogs do you see?
3.
3. So there are 3 frogs that are using camouflage.
Yeah. And 1, you know.
Over there. I got it. Alright, so how do these grey frogs use camouflage?
And there is 2. There is a frog.
There's a frog. Oh, he's hiding really well. So how do these frogs use camouflage?
On the tree.
They camouflage on the tree. Very good. And why do they use camouflage? Why do they use camouflage?
They don't want to be a dinner.
They don't want to be dinner, correct. So they hide. So the grey tree frogs hide so they don't become dinner. Correct? Yes, very good. Okay, so let's do a true or false. We're going to click on a card for our life science and let's see if it's true or false. Let's read.
Gray tree frogs live in trees. True.
Good.
Gray tree frogs.
Alright, next one.
The stonefish live in the ocean.
Live.
Falls.
So where does the stonefish live?
They live on the rocks.
But don't they live in the ocean?
Yes.
Yes. So they do. So they live in the ocean on the rocks. Alright, so it's true. Good. Our next one. Let's read.
The polar bear changed color to blend in.
Changes.
Falls. Falls.
Changes color to blend in.
Changes color.
Good. Our next one.
Polar bears sometimes cover their eyes and nose when they hunt. Two.
True. Beautiful. Great job. Alright, next one.
The brave frog eats birds. False.
Okay, and our last one.
Stonefish can kill fish with their sting. False.
So how do they catch their prey?
Two.
True. Very good. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to complete the charts. We're going to put our words into the correct columns for our life science. So we have animals, their habitats, how do they look, and why they use camouflage. So let's start with our polar bears.
Polar bears, eyes and snow for the social. They look like stones all the way around. They look like a tree branch. Kite and hunt.
Well done. Very good. Very smart indeed. Okay, so let's talk about camouflaged animals. So, how do animals use camouflage? Let's talk about... Okay, you choose an animal. Which one are you going to choose? And then you tell me how do they camouflage.
No rabbit.
Alright. So tell me how does the snow rabbit camouflage? So we're going to use this as an example.
They live in ice and snow. They camouflage with snow. They use camouflage to hide.
Alright, so they use their white fur to camouflage in the snow.
This is crab, not spider.
It's a spider.
But it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's see if we can take a closer look. I
They
can't
just-
on here. Well, it's a very funny looking crab then, because a crab has got claws. He hasn't got claws.
No,
Alright.
it's blue.
Okay. So, why do animals use camouflage? Tell me about it. Why do they use it? To hunt? To hide? What do they use it for?
Hunt or hide.
Hunt or hide. Very good. Alright, so today we've done our review of our grammar and we've done some life science to learn about animals that camouflage. Don't forget to do your homework, and also you need to study very, very hard for those tests coming up. Okay?
Thank you.
Alright, I want to see some good marks. And you must have a lovely evening, Mango, and I will see you next time.
Thank you.
Alright, sleep tight. Goodbye.
Thank you. Have a lovely day.
Thanks,
Sweet
Mango.
dreams.
Sweet
Bye-bye.
dreams. Bye.